Got an expensive cast iron pan with a Teflon coating that's seen better days? Maybe it's flaking, scratched, or just plain worn out, especially if you've been using metal utensils. Don't toss it. That pan isn't ruined. It's ready for a comeback. Let me show you how to restore it and unlock the amazing potential of cast iron. The base of these pans is essentially a cast iron skillet, one of the most versatile and durable kitchen tools ever made. Cast iron has been a chef's favourite for centuries, and with a little care, it can last a lifetime, or even longer. But here's the problem. Flaking Teflon isn't just unsightly, it's unsafe. Those little flakes can end up in your food, and nobody wants to eat that. Plus, once the coating starts peeling, the pan loses its non-stick properties and becomes harder to use. But don't worry, we're about to fix all that. The first step in restoring your pan is removing that old, degraded Teflon coating. There are a few ways to do this. Some people use sandpaper or steel wool, while others opt for chemical strippers or even a self-cleaning oven cycle. The goal is simple. Strip away the Teflon and reveal the raw cast iron underneath. Once you've removed the coating and cleaned the pan thoroughly, it's time to season it. Seasoning is what gives cast iron its natural non-stick surface and protects it from rust. For this step, I'm using olive oil, just a thin layer spread evenly across the entire surface. Now we heat things up. I place the pan on the stove to infuse the oil into the cast iron. The heat helps bond the oil to the surface, creating that smooth, protective layer. You'll want to let it heat until it starts to smoke lightly. This means the seasoning process is working. To keep your restored cast iron skillet in top shape, avoid soap when cleaning. Just use hot water and a stiff brush or sponge. Dry it immediately after washing to prevent rust, and apply a light coat of oil after each use to maintain its seasoning. And there you have it, a fully restored cast iron pan that's ready for action. No more flaking Teflon, just great food, cooked with all the benefits of cast iron. Durable, versatile, and naturally non-stick, this pan is now better than ever. So get cooking and enjoy your kitchen masterpiece.